How's everybody doing today, Keto family? Matt Troyce here, and today I'm gonna show you how to make Keto Calzones from scratch. New York style. I'm gonna show you how to make these, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Anybody you want, you have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. This video was suggested by one of my longtime subscribers, Michael Ware. Thank you, Michael, for your video recommendation. This is for you and everyone else around the world. And don't forget to check the recipe in the description of this video. You'll see the directions along with all the ingredients I use to make this incredible keto recipe. All right, so let me show you how to make it right now. All right, we're gonna start off with 1 cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk, 1 tablespoon of arrowroot starch, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, followed by 3 eggs and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. We're going to add some Italian seasoning and some onion and garlic powder. A dash of salt, and mix until combined. All right, now we're going to transfer this dough onto parchment paper. And take another sheet of parchment paper and place it directly on top of the dough. We're going to take a rolling pin and roll it out. Now we're going to place the cheese on top. So we're going to be using mozzarella cheese and some ricotta cheese. We'll put the ricotta directly on top of the mozzarella. Okay, now to roll it up. All right, we're just going to put a few holes on the top, just so it can vent. Time to place this into the oven, preheating at 375 degrees. All right, it's been about 25 minutes. We're going to let this cool for approximately 30 minutes before slicing into it and conducting a taste test. All right, the moment of truth right here. Wow, this tastes just like a calzone. Delicious. with the cheese in the middle. The crust is crispy, yet dense in the middle. This is awesome. I can't stop eating it, it's so good. Wow, that is amazing. Absolutely delicious. That really tastes like a calzone without all the carbohydrates. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 videos I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you can enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your night. Matt Troy signing out.